Welcome to AskPrep, your trusted companion for UPSC and IAS preparation. Today we will study about a very important topic of technology, which is digital payments and the fintech revolution. This is a subject that has reshaped economies, transformed lives, and redefined the way financial systems operate. As future policymakers and administrators, it is crucial to understand the dynamics of this revolution and its implications for India and the world. The rise of digital payments marks a paradigm shift from traditional cash-based transactions to a cashless economy. This transformation has been fueled by advancements in financial technologies, or Fintech, which combine innovation with financial services to provide efficient, accessible, and user-friendly solutions. Let's explore how this revolution is unfolding and its impact on society. Digital payments encompass a variety of methods, including mobile wallets, unified payments interface, UPI, internet banking, contactless cards, and QR code-based transactions. These methods have simplified monetary transactions, reduced dependency on physical cash, and increased financial inclusion. The fintech revolution, meanwhile, extends beyond payments to include services like lending, insurance, wealth management, and financial planning. In India, the digital payments ecosystem has witnessed exponential growth, especially in the last decade. The launch of UPI by the National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI, has been a game-changer, enabling instant, interoperable, and seamless transactions. Today, UPI processes billions of transactions monthly, and its success has inspired similar innovations globally. The integration of Aadhaar, India's biometric identification system, with banking services has further enhanced the reach and efficiency of digital payments. Mobile wallets like Paytm, PhonePe, and Google Pay have become household names, making digital payments accessible to a vast population, including those in rural and semi-urban areas. These platforms offer convenience, cashback rewards, and a wide range of services, driving their popularity among users. QR codes, which require minimal infrastructure, have empowered small businesses and street vendors to accept digital payments, fostering economic growth at the grassroots level. One of the most significant contributions of digital payments and fintech has been in promoting financial inclusion. By leveraging technology, these solutions have brought banking services to the unbanked and underbanked sections of society. Initiatives like Jan Dhan Yojana, which aim to provide every household with a bank account, have been complemented by digital payment systems, ensuring that even marginalized communities can participate in the formal economy. The fintech revolution has also revolutionized credit access. Traditional banking systems often exclude small businesses and individuals due to stringent eligibility criteria and lengthy processes. Fintech startups, using alternative data sources and advanced algorithms, have bridged this gap by offering quick and customized loan solutions. Peer-to-peer lending platforms and microfinance institutions are further enhancing credit accessibility, enabling entrepreneurship and economic empowerment. Security and trust are paramount in the digital payments ecosystem. Technologies like encryption, two-factor authentication, and tokenization have strengthened transaction security, ensuring user confidence. Government initiatives like the Data Protection Bill and the establishment of the Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center (I4C) are crucial in addressing cybersecurity concerns and building a robust digital infrastructure. The fintech revolution is not without its challenges. Cybersecurity threats, data privacy issues, digital illiteracy, and unequal access to technology are significant barriers that need to be addressed. Moreover, the rapid pace of innovation requires continuous regulatory adaptation to strike a balance between fostering growth and ensuring consumer protection. Collaborative efforts between the government, private sector, and international organizations are essential to overcome these hurdles. Globally, the fintech revolution is driving financial inclusivity. Cross-border remittances, often plagued by high fees and delays, are now more efficient and affordable thanks to fintech innovations. Blockchain technology, for instance, is being used to streamline transactions, reduce costs, and enhance transparency. This has significant implications for economies that rely heavily on remittances, enabling more funds to reach families and communities directly. Looking ahead, the future of digital payments appears promising. The integration of emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things will further enhance user experiences and expand the possibilities of what fintech can achieve. Concepts like biometric payments, voice-activated transactions, and decentralized finance are no longer distant ideas but realities in the making. As future policymakers, you must consider the broader implications of the digital payments and fintech revolution. The shift to a cashless economy has profound economic and social impacts. It reduces the costs associated with cash handling, curbs corruption, and improves tax compliance. Digital transactions generate valuable data that can inform policy decisions, enhance service delivery, and drive economic planning. At the same time, it is essential to ensure that this transformation is inclusive and equitable. Efforts to enhance digital literacy, provide affordable internet access, and address the gender gap in technology usage must be prioritized. Public awareness campaigns can help build trust and encourage adoption among hesitant populations. Internationally, India's success in digital payments has positioned it as a leader in fintech innovation. The India Stack, a set of open APIs and digital infrastructure, serves as a model for other nations seeking to implement inclusive digital economies. Initiatives like cross-border payment collaborations and knowledge sharing can further strengthen India's role in shaping the global fintech landscape. In conclusion, the digital payments and fintech revolution is not just about technology, it is about transforming lives, fostering inclusion, and driving sustainable economic growth. As UPSC and IAS aspirants, your understanding of this topic will not only aid you in examinations but also prepare you to shape policies that harness the full potential of fintech for nation building. Remember, a digitally empowered India is a stronger, more resilient India. Thank you for watching this video on AskPrep. If you found this discussion insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Together, let's embrace the opportunities of the digital age and work towards an inclusive future. Stay motivated, keep learning, and see you in the next video.